Hi parents, in this video what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you on how exactly do you create different types of sound. That means how do you create a louder sound, how do you create a higher pitch sound. So all this can be taught using a guitar. So now let's just go into the loudness of a sound. Now the idea of loudness of a sound depends on the amplitude. So what do I mean? The basic idea is if I were to strum it with a smaller amplitude, so just this much, you can hear it's not very loud. But if I press it further away from its original position, then the amplitude will be bigger and you can hear it's much louder. So what I want you to understand is that loudness actually depends on the amplitude. Now comes the little bit confusing part, which would be frequency. Now the idea of frequency is, or pitch actually, the idea of pitch is this, that frequency will determine your pitch. So if I have a higher frequency, I have a higher pitch. So a higher pitch would be something like Mariah Carey's voice, very high pitched. Something that will be a low pitch will be, example, I'll go with the tuba. Now that can be demonstrated using the guitar. So what I will be doing is that I will first place my finger at this point. So there's a very short distance. That means the time taken to produce one wave is actually very short, and because frequency is 1 over period, that would mean your frequency will be high. So if you just notice the sound, it's not very bassy, it's actually quite high pitch. Now if I shift it out, so if I shift my finger out, now there's a bigger distance to travel. So sound that is created takes a much longer time. That means your period will be much bigger. This will cause your frequency to be much lower. So a very low pitch sound, and that will create a more bassier sound. So this would be the sound. So you can hear the difference, like here, this is much sharper than here. So with this, what I want you to understand is that, not like I'm going to go into the music education industry, but what I want you to understand is you can use the guitar to even teach your child on the different facets of physics. And with the exams coming, Sec 1, 2, 3, if they are learning on the chapter on sound, this will be a very good video to share with your child. So I hope this has helped you and your child to understand the different facets of sound. Thank you so much.